Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into Brightspace and how to find your module. We will also look at how to use the various menus that you will find in Brightspace. First, open your web browser and navigate to brightspace.uos.ac.uk. You can also find a link in the hub. Your login will be your staff or student number, including at uos.ac.uk. And your password will be the same as your network password. Once you've logged in, you will be taken to your Brightspace homepage. Here you will find quick access to all of your modules. While we're here, it's worth pointing out the different menus we have available. You will hear these referred to in our Brightspace CPD courses and our tutorials. Now, let's look at those menus in more detail. Starting at the top left, you have a button called My Homepage. This has been set to show the University of Suffolk logo. Clicking it will take you back to your Brightspace homepage, which is this page. Moving to the top right, you will see the minibar. The icon on the left is the waffle menu. You can access all of your modules by selecting them from here. If you manage a lot of modules, selecting the pin icon next to the module name will keep it at the top of the list. The message alerts icon will notify you of messages or emails that you have received on Brightspace. The subscription alerts icon will notify you of updates on discussion forums that you have subscribed to. The updates icon will display a notification when a wide range of actions take place in any of your modules, such as a user submitting an assignment. Next to this is your profile picture and name. Selecting this will allow you to make changes to your profile or your account settings. You may or may not see a cog in the top right-hand corner. These will generally show Brightspace admin settings that we play around with in Learning Services. So if you don't see the cog or have few options there, that's perfectly normal. The next menu is the nav bar. It can change slightly depending on which part of Brightspace you're in. For example, this is the nav bar which displays on the Brightspace homepage. You also have a range of other widgets on the page designed to keep you updated. We'll have a brief look at those. My Learning Spaces is another way of quickly getting to your modules. Again, you can see the pin icon, which allows you to keep courses that you choose at the top of the menu. You have the Announcements widget here, which will show all announcements from all of the modules that you're part of. That covers the Brightspace homepage and the navigation menus. We'll just have a quick look inside a Brightspace module to look at a couple of the changes there. For this purpose, we'll look at a sandbox module. Remember, I can select it from my Learning Spaces or the waffle menu. I can see it pinned here, so we'll select that. So this is the module homepage for my sandbox. You still have the link to go to the Brightspace homepage. Next to this, you will see the title of your module. This link will display wherever you are in the module and allow you to return to the module homepage. Your minibar displays as before. The navigation also remains, but with different menu items. For example, Control Panel will allow you to change some of the settings relating to the module. On the module homepage, you'll see the module banner, which can be customized. Looking at the widgets on the page, at the top of the left column, we have the activity feed, where you can share quick updates with your students. Under that, we have the calendar, which will display certain deadlines automatically and any other events that you have inputted manually. In the right column, we see links for digital registers and some quick links for students. The Announcements widget will show all of your announcements for this module. The Updates widget will display important notifications, such as how many submissions have not yet been graded. Moving down, the bookmarks will display anything that you personally have bookmarked. Each user's bookmarks are personal to them. If you bookmark something, it won't appear as a bookmark to your students. The Content Progress widget will give the student an overview of their progress through each folder of your content. Now we're going to move to the Content area. To do that, we will select Content from the navbar. On the left, you'll see the sidebar. Here you will see the folders in your module, and on the right you can see the description for this folder. When you expand the folder, you will see the folder content. Clicking on these topics will open them, where you can view or edit as needed. Let's go back to the main Brightspace homepage now by clicking the logo in the top left of the page. That just about covers the basics of how to navigate on Brightspace. Let's just recap the key elements. We covered the Brightspace homepage, which looks like this. A module homepage, which looks like this. We've looked at My Home, the minibar, and the navbar. Inside the module, we looked at content and saw the sidebar containing the table of contents. For more information about Brightspace, visit our LibGuides pages. You can also find help and guidance in our Brightspace staff support area and our learning design workshops.